Welcome, fellow explorers, to GlobeGliders, your ultimate destination for unlocking the secrets of world travel. Traveling to Iceland can be an amazing experience. Here are some top tourist tips to make the most out of your trip. Visa requirements. Iceland is a part of the Schengen area, so if you're from a country that is also part of the Schengen agreement, you can enter Iceland without a visa for short stays, up to 90 days within a 180-day period. If you're from a country outside the Schengen area, check the Icelandic Directorate of Immigration website for visa requirements. Best time to visit. The best time to visit Iceland depends on your interests. Summer, June to August, is popular for midnight sun, hiking, and exploring the highlands. Winter, December to February, offers the chance to see the northern lights and enjoy winter activities like ice cave tours and glacier hiking. Shoulder seasons, spring and autumn, offer a balance of fewer tourists and milder weather. Weather and clothing. Iceland's weather can be unpredictable. Even in summer, temperatures can be cool, so pack layers including waterproof and windproof clothing. In winter, pack warm layers, a good winter jacket, hat, gloves, and sturdy waterproof boots. Driving in Iceland. Renting a car is a popular way to explore Iceland's scenic landscapes. If you plan to drive, familiarize yourself with Icelandic driving laws, road conditions, and weather forecasts. Consider renting a 4WD vehicle if you plan to travel off-road or visit remote areas, especially if you plan to venture outside of Reykjavik. The Ring Road, Route 1, circumnavigates the island and offers stunning views. Currency. Iceland's currency is the Icelandic krona, ISK. Credit and debit cards are widely accepted, but it's a good idea to carry some cash, especially for smaller purchases or in more remote areas. Language. The official language of Iceland is Icelandic, but English is widely spoken, especially in tourist areas. Safety. Iceland is considered one of the safest countries in the world. However, exercise caution when exploring natural attractions, follow warning signs and guidelines, and stay on marked paths. Travel insurance. Consider purchasing travel insurance that covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and unexpected expenses. Healthcare in Iceland can be expensive for tourists. Book accommodations in advance. Especially during the peak tourist season, summer, it's advisable to book accommodations well in advance to ensure availability and secure the best rates. Midnight sun and winter darkness. Depending on the time of year, be prepared for either near constant daylight or limited daylight hours. Plan activities accordingly. Food and drink. Be prepared for higher prices, especially when dining out. Try traditional Icelandic dishes like lamb stew, fermented shark if you're brave, and skyr, Icelandic yogurt. Golden Circle. Don't miss the Golden Circle tour, which includes Thingvellir National Park, Geysir Geothermal Area, and Gullfoss Waterfall. It's a great introduction to Iceland's natural wonders. Northern Lights. If you're visiting in winter, try to catch the northern lights. Monitor aurora forecasts and head away from city lights for the best viewing. Hot springs. Iceland is famous for its hot springs. While the Blue Lagoon is the most popular, consider visiting some lesser-known hot springs for a more serene experience. Respect nature and local customs. Iceland's natural landscapes are fragile, so follow the leave no trace principle. Stay on marked paths and respect wildlife. Additionally, familiarize yourself with local customs and etiquette, such as removing shoes when entering someone's home. Ready to embark on your next adventure? Don't miss out on the journey. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell for notifications, and let's explore the world together. Your next destination awaits, so join our travel community. Don't forget to like, share, and comment below on your dream destination.